We are going to discuss how to do a nested if statement in Excel. Here we have a spreadsheet with commissions for 8 different salesmen based on the number of units they sell, all based on a selling price of $40. And we calculate the total first by multiplying the units sold times the selling price. And then we calculate the commission with the nested if statement. The first criteria for the if statement is that the units sold have to be greater than 100 for the percent of the commission to be 5%. And if greater than 50 units are sold but less than 100 units are sold, the commission is 3%. And if the salesman sells less than 50 units, the commission is going to be 2%. So the first thing I'm going to do is type capital IF for if statement, parentheses, enter my logical test, which the first one is that D4 has to be greater than 100, because they have to sell more than 100 units to get a 5% commission. Then I'll put down a comma. Now I enter my true value, which is F4, which is the total amount, times 0.05 for the 5% commission. And then the value, if it's false, is where I'm going to enter the next if statement. Because if this is false, there's two possible values, 2% or 3%. So then I put down another capital IF with parentheses, enter my next logical test, where D4 has to be greater than 50. Which means if D4 is greater than 50 and less than 100, it's a 3% commission. So my next value is going to be F4 times 0.03. So if that's false, D4, which is the number of units sold, has to be less than 50 units, and they get a 2% commission. So for the 2% commission, I'm going to enter F4, which is the total, times 0.02. Enter my parentheses for the first statement, then enter my parentheses for the entire if statement that the other one was nested in. So right here there's a 5% commission because more than 100 units are sold. So 0.05 times 8,000 is 400. So I'll just expand that to the other 8 salesmen. And you can see that salesman number 2 sold 60 units, which is between 50 and 100. So he earned a 3% commission on the total. And it just keeps going from then on. So the if statement nested in the 5% if statement pretty much determines if they're going to get 2, 3, or 5% commission. And that's how I do a nested if statement.